Good afternoon, internet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And today I want to talk about something. Doing investments. Maybe saving a lot of your cash. To do a project. So for a very long time, I've been trying to do this YouTube thing. Getting maybe getting the content, and posting. So after I got 1,000 subscribers, I said, now let me put in lots of effort. So I decided to take all my savings and buy a good camera. So I decided to buy a GoPro Hero 10. As you can see, it's a Hero 10. So after buying the GoPro, I haven't been getting views. In fact, my traffic, my viewing traffic went very low. So I got frustrated. Actually, I'm frustrated because I've invested and some positive things are not coming out. So actually I decided to talk to any viewer or any subscriber of mine, that if you see my content, please just support me. Make sure you comment on my YouTube, and I think I'll be jacked up. So thank you so much for everyone that actually subscribed, and supported me this journey, because my YouTube channel, it's like 4 years old, I guess, and I've been really struggling to get subscribers. And I've been doing this app thing, sub by sub. I subscribe, somebody doesn't subscribe, but I decided to go the hard way and get some organic subscribers. So after I got the subscribers, now I went deep and to get the camera, and actually I have to be patient. I guess I have to be patient, to be more patient, and to do more content. But meanwhile, anyone who is viewing my content, please just share to your friends, and make me get some good views, and at least if I get 1,000 views per each video, I think I'll be really humbled. So I'm at my rural home, as you can see, and I'm checking around the plants. See the plants. I have some banana plant here. It's young, and I have some interesting plants here. They're not yams. I don't know their name, but they just grew on their own. So I don't know if they're edible or they're just flowers. Yeah, so please support my content and what I'll be doing. I promise that I'll be uploading content. Now we have some sweet potatoes here, some sukuma wiki over there, and also I do tree planting. It's I do fruits and other trees. I have some small banana here. You can see these are trees for timber. I know their name in vernacular, but the botanical name I really don't know. I'll research on that. And also we have some avocado, and as you can see, I normally do recycling. So these are packet for lollipops, and I've recycled and turned it to a socket, like planting a seed bed socket. As you can see, also I use milk packets for planting these trees, and I have plenty of them. Let me show you. Also I have yams. These are now yams, and I've planted there. I have a bunch of trees here, and also I have one apple plant, so it's really growing well, you know. And I have a very healthy banana. Let me show you. You see, these are ripe. This is ready, I think. So we'll harvest it soon before the birds start eating. You know, the birds are they're very notorious. So among the activities that I do here at home is splitting wood. You know, we normally use wood here at home, and
yake GoPro yake inamaanisha let GoPro.
Videos inaleta videos ni kamera video.
so one of the things that I normally do is splitting wood. No, these are hardwood. These are eucalyptus tree. Wewe sawa. The first, so this is my dog. It's called Mark. Mark, hi buddy. He's a very good dog, you know. Mark, how are you? How are you, buddy?